If you notice, most of the online car reviews features top-of-the-line variants, but not all people buy top-of-the-line. So now, we'll be checking out this Maxus T60 Pro 4x2, the mid variant. It may not be as rugged as a Ford Ranger or as sleek as the all-new Mazda BT50, which has not yet been launched here in the Philippines, pero it embodies what a pickup truck should look like. So here, we have halogen headlights, big black grille with large Maxus logo na kasing size na yata ng ulo ko, and then halogen fog lights. And kapag naman sa top-of-the-line variant, meron siyang LED headlights and all-chrome na grille dito. Here in the side, we can see na meron siyang badge ng T60 dito. And then, meron siyang chunky fenders sa front and sa rear. Tapos, for the tires, it has 17-inch alloys, which is the same sa top-of-the-line variant. Ang difference lang, mas malaki yon ng 1 inch. Ops, Iverson, mali. It's 17 inches, not 18, okay? Bali, all variants have 17-inch alloys as standard. And then, it is wrapped in two 45/65 tires. It has manual folding side mirrors with LED turn indicators. Tapos meron siyang running boards. And then meron siyang functional na roof rails. And then now, let's check out yung likod. So here at the back, what I like about the design is that meron siyang crease dito that goes all the way until here. Now, which reminds me of the larger pickup trucks. Tapos another good thing about this is that meron siyang rear cameras with parking sensors. So kapag aatras ka, mas mabilis, mas makikita mo, and then it's easier to maneuver. And then it also has bulb type taillights and fog lights. And then kung aakyat ka naman, meron siyang apakan over here. Pero if you want the easier part, apa ka lang dito and then go up. Tapos dito sa likod, meron siyang the third brake light, which is located here. And then open natin so that you can see the inside. Yan. So dito naman sa likod, it comes standard with the bed liner. And meron siyang 4 na hooks on all 4 sides. Tapos its payload capacity is at 1,010 kilograms and it has a towing capacity of 2,500 kilograms. And then ang good thing also about this pickup is that meron siyang 800 millimeters na water wading depth. So, check natin loob. And wait, kung mapansin nyo, wala siyang handle dito. So, I think it's better na lagyan ng handle dito kasi to aid you when going up. Yan. So here, since mid-variant nga lang to, wala siyang push button start. Ang meron siya, ito. So, start natin. Pero before natin siya i-start, ito yung ayaw ko sa kanya. Biglang magbubukas yung radio niya and kailangan mo agad i-press yung mute button dito. And sa mga napanood ko rin na reviews, especially in Malaysia, ayaw din nila ng ganun. So, start na natin. Here inside, we can see na it is simple pero modern pa rin. Which is maganda, lalo na for me. I like simple yet modern cars. Tapos, everything is made of hard touch plastics, even dito sa door panels. Pero maganda naman siya kasi meron siyang mga texture. So, hindi boring. And then, dito sa dashboard, meron siyang storage, but not just an ordinary storage, but a big storage. So, very timely din naman siya sa during pandemic. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mask mo dito. Tapos, it has 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay. So, wala siyang Android Auto. And then, ito, yung mga black dito, medyo nakaliliit siya dun sa 7-inch touchscreen display kasi parang ang laki niya masyado. So, sana parang wala na lang siya dun. And then, okay naman yung screen. It's responsive. Maliit nga lang yung home button and the volume button. So, it's better to use the physical buttons over here. Tapos sa baba, we have the manual climate controls na it's easy to use lang naman. And then, we have 2 modes over here. Eco and power. And dito sa baba, meron siyang cigarette lighter na nagulat ako na meron pa rin palang mga cars na may ganito ngayon. And ashtray. Tapos it has 2 USB ports over here. Yung isa for the Apple CarPlay and the other one is for normal charging. Tapos ito yung shifter. And it has 2 cup holders over here. And then a decent size na storage here. For the seats, hindi siya leather like the top of the line variant. It is a cloth. Pero comfortable naman, okay naman siya. Medyo matigas nga lang kasi typical naman sa mga cloth na seats, yung ganun. Tapos for the steering wheel, it's made of polyurethane material. Medyo maliit nga lang siya sa grip. Pero okay naman kasi nakabawi naman siya sa design. Plus, meron pa siyang cruise controls dito. Tapos okay pa yung ano niya, busina niya here. And I forgot to mention, yung stitching sa seat, maganda siya kasi it gives contrast dun sa base color ng upuan. And then meron din tayong 2 cup holders, one over here, tapos meron pa dito. And then okay dyan kasi it keeps your drinks cool. So here in the second row, you can see na I've got a decent legroom and headroom, and I'm 5 feet and 5 inches. Tapos yung footroom, okay din, I can extend my legs. Tapos we have rear vents and power outlet dito. Tapos meron din 2 back pockets on both seats. Tapos meron tayong Isofix child seat dito. And then yung comfort, okay naman, expected naman na upright talaga yung upuan dito sa likod. And I guess okay lang siya. Tapos may storage siya sa ilalim. So let's check it. So hilain lang natin to. Then sabit natin over here. So ayan. And this one. Tapos, pwede rin ibaba. Ito. This one. Safety features on the Maxus T60 Pro 4x2 are dual front airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, tire pressure monitoring system, and Isofix child seat anchors. So before we take this out on a drive, i-check muna natin yung engine niya. So this one, the Maxus T60 is powered by a 2.8-liter variable geometry turbo with 148 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Tapos power is sent to the rear wheels. And honestly, parang medyo lacking siya sa power. Pero before we judge, check muna natin siya through test drive. So tara! Once you get going, mafe-feel mo talaga na you're driving a pickup truck. Kasi yung ride quality niya, it's the same as the pickup truck talaga. Pag sa mga medyo malulubak, medyo matagtag siya, but it's normal for a pickup. Tapos, pagdating naman sa acceleration niya, it's not too fast and it's not too slow. Considering na 148 horsepower yung output niya, which is one of the smaller sa kanyang mga segment. Pero, okay na rin yung performance kasi nagre-respond naman siya agad. So actually, dinala namin siya sa province for a week and okay yung ano niya, yung performance niya, wala siyang lack of power. Kunyari, pupunta kami sa mga inclined or mga steep na daan or kahit sa mga medyo pababa, kayang-kaya niya. Considering na 4 kami dito sa loob and may kasama pa kami mga bags. So the performance is quite okay. So right now, stuck tayo sa traffic, medyo standstill, pero sometimes gumagalaw naman. And okay naman yung comfort niya dito. While driving, okay naman din. Kaya lang, ang medyo mabigat lang yung steering niya. But I guess it's fine, you can't complain about it kasi expected naman for this kind of vehicle. So again, we're stuck in quite heavy na traffic. Pero yung fuel economy niya is surprisingly okay. Kasi pag ganito, medyo mabagal yung galaw, nakaka 11 kilometers per liter. Pero pag sa highway naman, okay na okay yung numbers niya, which is nasa 14 to 15 kilometers per liter. Also to add, while driving on lower speeds, the transmission seemed to jerk when shifting from 3rd to 2nd gear. It's a bit disturbing at times, especially for passengers. So ayun nga, diba, dinala namin siya sa province, and doon we have rocky roads, parang ice cream lang. And meron din mga muddy na daan, so we tried it there. And expectedly naman, okay yung ride niya. It's built for utility. So, yung gusto namin na performance niya, nakuha naman namin. Nadadaan siya sa mga mababato and kaya niya dumaan sa mga muddy. Hindi siya nadudulas. And the ride is good. So, dun sa province, medyo matagal uminit yung engine niya. And I don't know why, kung problem ba talaga ito ng mga diesel engines or talagang normal lang yun na matagal siyang uminit. So sa highway, okay yung ride niya. It's medyo smooth siya, tapos medyo quiet din siya. And ang medyo napapansin ko lang dito is that yung wind noise niya lumalakas na pag bumibilis ka. Pero other than that, it's perfect. Okay siya. And by the way, yung aircon nito, malamig na malamig. So kahit, di ba, hindi kami naka-tint, tapos kahit mainit sa labas, malamig pa rin dito sa loob. Tapos maganda pa, dun sa second row, merong air vent. So talagang hindi ka maiinitan. For just 1,078,000 Philippine pesos, you will definitely get good value and quality with the Maxus T60 Pro. Like other pickup trucks, it can do its job well, such as passing through roads others can't, and of course, loading items. That's in addition to good performance. This means it's easy to conclude that the Maxus T60 is definitely something worth checking out.